The era of typing prompts into a chat box is officially over. Google just killed the chatbot. At Google I/O 2026, they quiet launched Gemini Spark, shifting the entire industry from reactive sessions to always-on, 24/7 background AI nodes. You will never log in, ask a question, and wait for a response again. Instead, Spark operates as a persistent daemon running on dedicated virtual machines in the cloud. It is watching, routing, and executing tasks in the background while you sleep. This is not a chatbot wrapper. It is an agentic operating system powered by the new Anti-Gravity 2.0 harness. It stays active even when your phone and laptop are turned off, managing your digital life without human input. But there is a major security loophole in how these cloud virtual machines handle your raw context. We will expose exactly how Google claims to solve this privacy nightmare later in this breakdown. To understand this shift, you have to look at the division of labor. Spark is the persistent brain, but it does not do the heavy processing itself. That job is delegated to Gemini 3.5 Flash. Gemini 3.5 Flash was co-designed from the silicon up to be an agentic worker. It features dynamic thinking levels. You can dial its reasoning up for complex tasks, or set it to 0 for instant speed. This hardware-software co-design allows Flash to generate tokens 4 times faster than previous models. When Spark detects an event, it triggers Flash in microsecond bursts, keeping costs incredibly low. If a bill arrives in your email, Spark detects the trigger. It spins up Flash to verify the amount, schedules the payment, and updates your budget sheets. You never see the prompt, the code, or the latency. But how does the system hand off these tasks without losing state or running out of memory? The secret lies in a routing layer that bypasses traditional API bottlenecks, which we will deconstruct in less than 60 seconds. When an event fires, Spark registers the task in a high-speed queue. Instead of waiting for an API connection, Spark writes the state to memory and yields. Gemini 3.5 Flash then pulls from this queue, executes in a microsecond burst, and terminates. This decoupling makes the system always on without burning idle server resources. Traditional LLMs are stateless. You send a prompt, they answer, and they forget everything the moment you close the tab. Spark changes this by maintaining a persistent context window. This is a continuous, living memory stream mapped across Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and external databases. It utilizes Model Context Protocol, or MCP, to standardize connections to third-party tools. When Spark intercepts an event trigger, it does not feed your entire history to the model. That would blow past token limits and cost too much. Instead, it uses semantic triggers to pull only the necessary context chunks. This brings us to the core engine, the multi-agent routing layer. Think of it as a high-speed traffic controller for neural networks. It determines the minimum intelligence required for any given task. If a task is simple, like filing an invoice, the routing layer sends it to a low-level worker agent. If it requires complex cross-referencing, it escalates to Gemini 3.5 Flash with high thinking levels. This tiering is essential. Running every task on a frontier model would crash the infrastructure. Google's routing layer acts as a filter, saving 90% on compute costs. But what happens when agents disagree? If one subagent schedules a meeting and another detects a conflict, they don't crash. The routing layer runs an internal negotiation loop to resolve the conflict before writing to your calendar. Now, about that security loophole we mentioned earlier. Running a persistent agent means your data is constantly active in cloud memory. Google solves this with encrypted, isolated sandbox environments. Your context is locked inside a secure enclave that even Google's hosting infrastructure cannot read. Decryption keys are held locally on your device, ensuring the agent acts on your behalf, and your behalf only. This shifts the paradigm of personal computing. We are moving from software you use to software that works for you. The chatbot was just a stepping stone. The future is silent, autonomous agentic nodes running in the background of your life. The web is no longer a collection of pages, but a network of agents negotiating with other agents. Thank you.